Hi, in this video I'd like to show you how you can update your Android Studio IDE to the latest version. Android Studio receives so many updates these days that even the version that you just downloaded from the internet could be outdated. It's always recommended to perform these updates as these can solve some bugs or even add new features to the Android Studio IDE. At the left bottom of the main Android Studio window, you can see the version that you are currently running, which in my case is 1.1.0, followed by the build number. If you manually want to check for new updates, you can press the Check for Updates Now link. In my case, a new dialog is displayed letting me know that I'm running the latest Android Studio version. In order to configure automatic update settings, you can use the Updates dialog of your IDE settings. We can access those settings by clicking Update in this window, or if I'm closing this window, by going to Configure and then Settings. On the left bottom of this window, we can find the Updates settings. As we can see, Android Studio will automatically check for updates in the Stable channel. You can disable the automatic updates feature by unchecking this box and performing the updates manually. But what are these channels that you can check for updates? From the top to bottom, you can find several channels ordered by stability. For instance, the most stable version of Android Studio can be found in the Stable channel. If you decide to run a less stable but more recent version of the application, you can check the Beta channel, and so forth, with Canary channel containing the most recent version of Android Studio, but probably the most unstable one also. You might want to check these channels in case you want to try new features that were introduced in the latest version, or maybe some bugs that were solved, but keep in mind that this version could be less stable than the one found in the Stable channel. I usually check for updates in the Canary channel unless something goes wrong, and then we'll check in the next channel, which is Dev, and so on. Let's try updating the application by using the Canary channel. I select that channel and click on Check Now. As you can see, a new Android Studio version 1.2 Preview 2 is available in the Canary channel. We are informed that Canary builds are released about weekly. Even those builds are being tested, these could contain some bugs, but are bringing the latest features to Android Studio. By pressing Upgrade and Restart button, Android Studio will download this update from the Canary channel and will restart the main application. Upon restarting, the new components are being downloaded, and now we can see that the version number has changed to Android Studio 1.2 Preview 2. If we check again for updates, we can see that we are now running the latest version of Android Studio. So this is how you update your Android Studio IDE to its latest version. Thanks for watching and see you soon.